Microsoft PowerPoint Top 12 Useful Tips and Tricks. So number 1, paano ba natin ma-achieve yung isang perfect shape and line? So first off, so what we can do is go to Insert tab and then go to Shape, choose the circle, then hold the Shift key in your keyboard before inserting your circle. And kung mapapansin nyo, we have our perfect circular shape. So how about align? So ganun pa rin, go to Insert tab, then Shape, then choose Align. So usually ang ginagawa natin is i-insert lang natin yung line tapos we are just carefully placing it. But it is actually very dragging. So the best way to do is go to Insert tab, then Shape, then hold the Shift key again on your keyboard, then bago mo insert yung line. So as you can see, kahit na i-move ko up and down yung aking cursor, nag-i-stay lang siya sa gitna. Because ang goal natin is to have a perfect line horizontally. Okay, so next, align your objects. And I have here objects na hindi pantay-pantay. So how do we align it in a quick way? So what we can do is select the objects, and then after selecting the object, go to graphics format, then go to align, then choose line center. Then as you can see, all my objects are already in line. So just repeat the procedure on other objects or shapes. And kanina graphic format because this is all graphics. But sometimes, kung mga shapes yan, ang lalabas is shape format. So anyway, ganoon pa din. Click the shape format, then align, and then choose align center. Then there you have it. Our graphics and our text are in line. Then again, another example. Choose your objects, then go to shape format, choose align. But since ang goal lang natin is magpantay-pantayin sila. So go to align and align with it. As you can see, inline na sila sa gitna pero may mga gaps pa rin. So paano yan? So select mo lang ulit, shape format, then distribute horizontally. And so kusa na siya nag-distribute horizontally ng pantay-pantay. Tip number 3, replace your fonts in one go. So how do we do it? So go to Home or under Home, go to Replace, and then Replace Fonts. So say for example, yung mga font na Garamond, gusto siyang palitan ng Comic Sans. So from Garamond, lahat ng Garamond na text sa PowerPoint presentation ko is mapapalitan na natin ng font style na Comic Sans. Ayan, so as you can see, yung fonts ko naging Comic Sans na, including the other slides. Tip number 4, duplicate with ease. Select the object, then Ctrl D. After that, reposition your object, then hit Ctrl D again. Depende kung ilang copies yung kailangan mo. And as you can see, hindi lang yung object yung kinopya niya, but also the position of the previous copied objects. Tip number 5, get organized with sections. So meron na akong mga notes dito kung paano, para nang sa ganon, pwede nating balikan. So sabi nyo dyan, just right click between slides, then hit add section. So let's say for example, dito, right click lang, then add section. So let's say for example, ang pangalan nito ay part 2. Lesson part 2. Gawa tayo ulit. Right click, add section. Say for example, animation. So meron na tayong dalawang section. So ano bang benefit ng paglalagay ng section? So aside from makapag-focus tayo sa part ng slide na i-discuss na natin or i-present na natin. Say for example, tapos ka na sa lesson part 2, you can just hide it. Then, go to your next slides. So aside from that benefit, another benefit of having section is that we could mark the part where our colleagues need to work. So for example, meron kayong PowerPoint presentation na binubuo, but yun ay PowerPoint presentation ng grupo. So pwede mo lagyan ng mga section. Say for example, tong part na to, ito yung tatrabahuin ni Mark. Then yung section na to yung tatrabahuin naman ni Jan. And so on and so forth. Tip number 6, upgrade your pointer. So of course, mag-work lang to kung naka-present yung PowerPoint mo. So while you are in presenting mode or presenter mode, you can actually right-click, then pointer options. So bahala kung ano kailangan mo. Is it laser? Para may emphasize mo kung saan yung gusto mong i-point out. Or pen, kung gusto magsulat. Or highlight, kung may gusto kang i-highlight. Anyways, kung ayaw mo nag-right click, gusto mo mag-shortcut key, pwede rin naman. So kapag sa laser pointer, just hit Ctrl L. Ayan. Kung mag-highlight ka naman, Ctrl I. As you can see, ayan, nagpalit siya. And then Ctrl P kung magsusulat ka or, for example, may gusto kang bilugan. Ayan. Nandito siya actually sa left side, yung mga shortcut keys. And then Ctrl A kung gusto mo ibalik sa dating itsura ng cursor mo. Then kung gusto mo lang naman temporarily gamitin yung laser pointer, you can just hold Ctrl plus left click. Pansamantala magamit mo siya kung may gusto ka lang i-emphasize for a while. And then just release it kung tapos na.